What's up, YouTube? Pictures by Schoolboy back again, and welcome back to another behind the scenes video. Today I have with me the brand new Samsung Galaxy M11, and today we are going to test out the cameras with a photo shoot section. So I have my friend right here. So what's your name? Tell them your name.
I'm Philip Saki.
Yeah, so he's a good friend of mine, and he's going to be our model for today. It's a brand new phone which came out not long ago, about a month or two ago, and I felt like trying out the camera on these new middle range and budget smartphones. So that's what we are going to do today. So before we get straight into the video, you already know, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to get notified anytime I put up a new video, and let's get it.
Crazy on net.
The phone has three amazing cameras, being the depth sensor camera, a normal camera, and a wide angle camera. So with the depth sensing camera, it has the ability to shoot some type of blurry background style of photos, just like how you get with a 50mm lens. What Apple users call it portrait, and what Samsung users call it live focus. So it has the live focus mode, but I don't think it matches how the professional and the high-end phone's portrait mode looks like. So I'm going to test out the portrait mode on this phone and see how well it compares with the high end like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra or even the X20 and other phones. So I'm going to test it out and I'll see you guys.
My favorite producer. On Dixon Beats.
So one thing that I noticed during this photo shoot is that you constantly have to check if you've properly wiped the lens of the camera, because it's a smartphone. It tends to leave, your hand tends to leave a lot of fingerprints on the camera lens since you've been holding it this way. So you have to constantly check if you've properly wiped the lens, because at times when I take pictures and I look at them, the pictures look a little bit blur, but anytime I turn it over and look at the lens, I find out that I left some fingerprints on the lens, and that's why the pictures are a little bit blur. The next thing that I'm going to clear out is the lens. The ultra wide lens has a lot of chromatic aberration. So anytime you punch in into the subject just a little bit more, you tend to see some colors, some magentas and some blues at the edges of the subject, and that's what we call chromatic aberration. So it has a lot of chromatic aberration, and it doesn't have that good of dynamic range. The dynamic range on the wide angle lens is pretty poor, but it tends to bring out amazing images depending on how you are composing your shots and a whole lot. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is how to compose your images. Since it's a phone camera, it doesn't blur out the background as a DSLR or a professional lens or camera would blur the background. So everything is in focus. So the best thing to get great images is how to pose your models and the kind of location that you choose for your images. So if you have an amazing location and you have a great model like my friend, you are going to get amazing pictures due to how the person is going to compose him or herself and strike poses and a whole lot. So these are some few things that I felt like touching on. If you really want to shoot amazing pictures with your smartphone. So that will be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, leave your comments down in the comment section below. And also I'm trying to bring a category of behind the scenes on my channel, which I do behind the scenes photo shoot sections with a smartphone. So if you like to see more of behind the scenes with a smartphone, trying out the cameras of different smartphones, budget smartphones and expensive smartphone, please leave your thoughts in the comment section down below and let me know you would like to see it more often on the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.